welcome to the EEPROM 9. Some of you may, well, you should know what this is about from the title, so yeah. Basically, this thing has sent its end of life alarm a year early. I'm not going to go bothering sticking it back up when it bleeps the end of life alarm, which is very annoying. Now, I am a bit ill. I have some form of virus. I really should install some form of virus protection, but I can't find the disk drive on myself. Yeah, bad pun for any of the ones really geeky enough to find that funny, like me. So what are we going to do? Basically, I've always kind of wondered what the sensors and shit look like in these, so this will be the opportune time to do it. Sounded end of life alarm, yeah. Hehe, it's skills to tear it apart. But let's stop, man. Oh yes, one other note. This is a life-saving device, and it's made in China. You know you're desperate when you're relying on that. Bearing in mind, this is especially true of my laptop. Made in China stuff has a habit of failing when you need it most. Laptop failed? When? Exam season struck. So when's this gonna fail? When your dodgy boiler emits carbon monoxide. Yeah. Let Germany or someone else like that manufacture life-saving devices, where there's proper engineering. So first we pop off the cover, and I would like you to note this here. I'll read it like this off camera. Press test button to check unit before working correctly. Before fitting this cover. Note, once fitted, this cover cannot be removed. Watch this. I don't know what kind of cannot that's supposed to be, but that is certainly removed to me. It's detached from the unit, so yeah, that's an outright fabrication. In fact, surprisingly, there's not even a switch to disable the device when it's removed. It's just, yeah. So yeah, I've already removed the batteries from this thing. It emits one last horrible squeal when you remove them. And I've also replaced the batteries in it once. And the usual sort of crap on it. Yeah, you know the thing. So let's get to it.
Tearing it apart. So, first we kind of need to remove that. Yeah, so this is going to be, you're going to watch. I might speed this up, you never know. Oh god, come on. Oh, it's going to be stubborn, isn't it? Maybe I should have done this when I wasn't ill. Bloody sods making things hard to get into. What about us curious ones who want to know what things are? Oh, let's consider this circuit. Oh yes, there we go. Yay. That's not on camera, is it? So that's the thing, it looks a bit like a giant microphone at the moment. The rest of the casing is popping off, it's all clipped on, you see. Oh dear me, yay, that thing's popped off, yay, oh dear. Yay.
There we go. It just flew off across the room, so let's retrieve it. And here we have it inside the carbon monoxide detector. Not all that surprising, to be frankly honest. Oh yeah, I would like to note as a disclaimer, I would not recommend disassembling this before it hits the end of life of the unit, because there's every chance you could screw the unit up. Looking at it, there's your detector. I can't be asked to remove it anymore. That'll be your microcontroller, and I just belched, so pardon me. That there, little thing, V3.40 will most likely be the version of the firmware on the chip. That's your sensor. That is, can I see the part number of the chip? Yes, I can, and it's one I don't recognise. Same with the other chip. You've got your discrete logic here, your pixo speaker wires going to your pixo speaker, which is here, your monoxide detector, what look to be programming ports here. Looking at that, not sure. I wonder if it's this legendary J tag, but then that could also be some sort of programming interface as well. ZSK1 it says on the PCB. You've got loads of discrete components, chips. This could be a regulator or some sort of transistor. Small resistors and capacitors which are unmarked, so their values are unknown. Transistors, microcontroller. I'd imagine this would probably be the interface driver for the monoxide detector. And this... Hang on. Hard to tell, but let's grab a torch. 24C01. Okay. That, my friends, is an EEPROM. Basically, an electrically erasable, programmable, read-only memory. These are very commonly used in conjunction to hold settings on a microprocessor-based system. The other one, I'm going to reread it because I couldn't see it before. Yeah, that's unknown to me off the top of my head. Probably a specialist chip that I haven't come across before. And have we got any other markings on the board that are interesting, or is it all just I don't know what kind of interface this is, but I'd imagine it's for programming this. Not sure what went here. There's a lot of solder blobs. And there's also something here, SK1. Oh well, I said about that, haven't I? Oh dear, I'm repeating myself. Damn, I am a pillow. There's not really much on the side. There's an inductor, capacitor, some diodes right at the back. Don't know if you can see them. Battery connectors, and that's about it. So that is inside a British gas carbon monoxide detector. Quite interesting, and not at all entirely unexpected. I was expecting the monoxide detector unit though itself to look more like a Geiger tube. Apparently they're filled with charcoal, these units. So, I say thanks for watching and enjoy. A lot of people actually prefer the... what I find is these sorts of videos seem to get more views than my gaming ones. Don't know why. Haven't worked it out yet. Thanks for watching. I'll reassemble that now.